Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to be showing you guys how to make TikTok videos inside of Premiere Pro. We're going to start by showing you how we make our sequence for TikTok, and then edit your video accordingly, and also add some text if you wish. So with that being said, let's jump into Premiere Pro. Right. For anybody that's never used Premiere Pro before, the first thing that we are going to do is open a new project. We will title this as TikTok tutorial. So we're going to name this. Okay. Right, so the first thing, guys, that you are going to want to do is press Control N onto your keyboard, and then if you've never put a sequence in before, these are the settings which I use. So MSR editing mode, recording 60 frames per second. If you record in any of these others, I would recommend matching to what your recording is. Your frame size is going to be 1080 by 1920, so vertical for a mobile phone. And then with that, name your sequence and save it as a preset. Where the first thing that you are going to do is import this sequence that you have just made into Premiere Pro. Then you're going to go for File, Import, and then wherever your video is that you want to edit, import the file, and then drag and drop it to the playhead. Now what you want to do is keep the existing settings on the sequence, so they don't go to the sequence that is on recording. I want to keep this so it stays in this form in Premiere Pro. Right, what I'm going to do for you guys is just to make this a bit clearer and a bit easier, we're going to add a track because we are going to need it for our text layers. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on the recording and press Alt and hold it down, and then go and then just keep dragging these up until you've got the layers that you need. So this first layer here, we're going to scale that to 200, and then our second layer, which is going to be your gameplay, we're going to scale that as well to, let's go for 150. Okay. And then the third one is going to be your camera frame. Now, what you want to do is drag it across on the position to the left to where sort of you want it, and then make it to the size that you want, again using the scaling tab within Premiere Pro. And then we're going to go over to effects, and then what we're going to use, second, go with this. There we go. We go to go for a Gaussian Blur on our background layer. So drag and drop onto your bottom layer, and then for the top layer we're going to want to crop the camera. But this is if you've got a square frame. If not, you are going to have to use a mask on a circular camera frame, if that's what you've got yourself. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this cropped to where we want it. So 77.5, no, 0.6 on that one. And then we're going to go down as well to 41. Shouldn't have to change anything here. It's already at the back. Okay, and then the and on the bottom to 32. So now we've done that, we can get our camera a little bit bigger as well and get it exactly to where we want it within our position. And now we can see just that we've got a little bit of white on the camera frames. Okay, that's 0.9. Top. Sorry, 0.5. We're going to take that one back to 5. No, sorry, that one. So right, that's our camera frame done. That's where our main gameplay is going to sit, and then this is our background. So let's go back to that, and then here where we've got the Gaussian Blur effect, and we're going to put that to 10. Right, so enter, and now we've got our blur. Right, and now let's just quickly watch this gameplay now, and then we can see like how it looks, and make sure that we're happy with what we've got, in case we want to make the cuts. Ah, you up there? No! Shocking. Get out of here. Right. So what I want to do, I want to add some text. So what we're going to use this top track here for our text. So what I'm going to do to start off with, we're going to go onto our text tool, and we're going to just drop that right there. Okay, so now we've got our first graphic. So today I'm going to be using bad boom font style with a fill of white and a stroke of black. We're going to put that to 10. Right, so for this video in particular, I'm going to type it as oh, done that wrong. Sorry, I need stroke of black. There we go. It's bad. Text. Make sure that's good. Alright, cool. So we're gonna do how many attempts? Question mark. Okay. So what we can do, we can again position this to kind of where we want it. So we want it to be in the center. And we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, and then drop it down to kind of the bottom of our sort of main graphic. Yeah. And then what we're going to do, we are going to pull it back so it doesn't show for a long period of time. So we're going to put it on there for possibly about a second. Okay. So what we're going to do is just going to let this play through, and to show you guys as well. So right. So that's now disappeared. So what I want to do now is get our clip to kind of where we want it, because what I want to do, I want to press Alt, and I want to use this one. This will save a lot of time as well. So what we can do is edit this, and I'm just going to drop in a number 1. Apologies, that's Discord. So we're going to put this one to where we want it. We're going to enlarge that as well, pull it up to about there. Okay, so we want it nice and bold and clear, but I'll be honest, I want a bit more of a stroke on it. Actually, no. We're gonna let it down. So let's put it to 15. Okay. Right. So that's the number 1 done. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna pull this back. We only want it to kind of like half a second. Okay. And then we're gonna let that play through. Like so. So we've taken our first shot. So that's number 1. Pause, and then we're going to click hold Alt, and then pull and drag to our playhead, and then we're going to just type in here number 2. Okay, so basically what this is doing is making it easier for you guys, so you've not got to put your scale in as well as your positioning. So when you press Control Alt, you can literally click on this on what is our number 1, and then drag it and drop it to where you want it on the playhead. So let's just watch this back again from the beginning. So we got how many attempts? 1, forward stim, number 2, right, and now number 3. So we're going to do the same again. Hold Alt, and then click there again. Going to put in there number 3. I think there's a total of 6. So we're going to keep this sort of going. I got there. No. Right, 4. As well, just sort of bear in mind like your timing as well. It sort of gives it your video a bit more effect when a viewer is also watching. Number 4, number 5. So we're gonna again same process. 5 and play. Number 6. Pop number 6 there. Fucking get out of here. Right, then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drag this back a little bit. Let's go for there, so we'd just add that kill as well. And we're gonna drag and drop this, and then it's gonna type in here. And then here, just gonna type in number 7. Okay, so when you watch all this back, you've got all 3 layers that you need. So we got our text. I got there. No! Fucking get out of here. Right. I'm not very happy with that. Okay, that's I like the timing on number 7. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this. So we're gonna come back a few frames here. Okay, gonna drag it back to the playhead. So 1. I'm not even. Oh no, we do get a marker. So, okay, let's go part way down the site there. So number 2. Again, 3. 4. Just as we ADS. 5. And then number 6, and then number 7 is as we get that throwing knife in. So we're just going to go back and watch this again. Number 1, number 2, number 3, I got there. No! Number 4, 5, 6. Fucking get out of here. Number 7. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And that there is sort of like a basic video edit for TikTok. If you guys obviously want if you want a video doing so, like we dive into a bit deeper of using the cut tool to like trim bits out of like single clips or put them up together. Let me know down in the comments, as well as like putting in memes as well, just to give your videos that bit more sort of so to speak. So right, what we're going to do now, right, we're going to go file, actually we're going to press Control M, and we're going to export. Okay, so when we export, we want it as a H64 file, match the bitrate source, and we're going to export this as Sniper TikTok. Okay, so we've done that, and it's going to be saved as an MP4 file, and then we can export, and it's a small file as well, 23 megabytes. Guys, do me a favor, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you've hit that thumbs up, subscribed, and also leave me any comments down below for what you want to see come to the channel in the future. And have an absolutely fantastic day. We'll catch you on the next one. See you later.